Hello everyone, I thought I'd do a bit of a video on this Cambridge Audio DAB, on how to use it and get through it, because the manual is a bit confusing, so I thought I'd do a video on it. So obviously let's just switch this over to the DAB. Alright, so what you need to do, so obviously to use it you've got your knob here. You can twist through stations, so I could put to select station, you just do this. And then you've got your information here, it shows the genre, what it is, the time and the date, signal strength, tells you the bit rate of it. Obviously the next thing you can do is you can do a quick auto tune. If you press it once, a quick auto tune is sort of like a quick tuning, so it does it quickly and it doesn't look as hard. So my radio aerial is up on top of that TV up there somewhere. But anyway, obviously this is a quick one, so it might not find as many stations, so you can just, if you hold it down, it does a full auto tune, which will make it try and find all of the stations in the area. In a minute I'll get onto these, or you can skip. So this does a full auto tune, which looks for all the stations in the area. So obviously it takes its time because it's looking. Also you get a brightness, so you can dim it down a bit. I don't see a point in that, but oh well. So I'll show you how you save your stations on here and how to use these buttons. So usually by default it would these buttons here are usually sort of presets for stations, but obviously it will save them if you want it to, but usually by default it will look for the most popular stations. So if I press this one, it goes to greatest hits, which is what I've saved. If I go to number 2, it should be Heart. Number 3 is BBC. Number 4 I think is Absolute. So, and number 5 is Gadio. So obviously you can hold it down and it will go to these. I think you hold it down and you press 6, the shift button, and it looks to the next preset stations I've got saved. But anyway, how you save a station. So say I want to save this station to preset number 1. What I do, I believe, is you hold this button. So I'll just show you. So let me zoom out. Just get it into angle. So you hold this button, and you can see it says preset 1 saved. So say I want to save BBC Heart, I just hold it down and it saves Heart as preset 2. So it will save that. And obviously it's the same for 3, 4 and 5, and I'm not sure how you do 6 and 7 actually. So yeah, but that's now in the menu. You get the orders, you can do manual tunes, you can do, it shows you the version of the software, you can update it, but I don't really see how you do that because there's no USB on it. So that's a walkthrough of the Cambridge Audio DAB500. Hope you enjoyed it, and it may have helped you. But yeah, that's it.